We are star. Real star. Hype. We better than. We better than. We say we better than. The other hand. Alright then. Lights, camera, action started. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican target. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house a car. Me the girl's name Honey, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them mother man. Yes, we are them mother man.
Don't know the routine, double six pose. The double six there.
Who that? Girls and baby daddy.
Yo, so it's when the baby due.
Rest it, man. I'm not a baby daddy until the baby is born.
What? No, Maka man. No. Check this. If you and a girl lie down together in a Maka, and she say a bun is in the oven for you, you should know if you trust her enough to accept that bun. Oh. Because if that bun is really yours and you never help with it from when it was baking, when that baby born, it will resent you and nobody but you.
Sure,
learn that.
Sure.
You said the right thing. Born.
You once the baby is conceived as a father, my youth. A baby father.
Maka, mind the pick the growth you yet, please, mind. Because once the mother get into that child head, you know, and start tell that child a bag of foolishness, you know. It's hard for you as a father to get through to that child. The one Susan, she look like mix up too.
If she mix up. Alright, no man to the board. Watch it. Everybody
I'm
pause.
telling you.
Look at that.
I don't like
Pause.
playing nothing with you. You're too dramatic, man.
That's cool, man. And when you are when you're going worse than I. That's cool, man.
Yeah, what time that? What time, Maka?
5 o'clock.
You ready?
So tell me something. No, I got a code tomorrow to support Grabsy.
Support Grabsy.
Yeah.
Yes, I will support Grabsy. Not.
Oh, man, seriously, kid.
Yo, boy. Me not see myself a going in a pulpit and then swear to God I'm gonna lie about how me really feel about Grabsy.
Fast.
You would have sorry.
Yeah,
I know, star. I know Grabsy not no angel, you know. But me tell you sometime we have to act like being him and I just forgive him and take him back. You know?
No, take him back thing, no.
I want him to king, you know, understand me, I say, man. Grabsy, I want to win now. Grabsy is a brethren. And I just know we animal spar now. A long time now.
Yeah.
Old man.
Yeah, for real. Alright, we are gonna go down there.
I make you take him back.
It's in a copper. Alright. This is it. And this is the one. That is it. 6 now.
Yo, you win already? No, Star. No, you can't win already, Star.
Have you any idea what's going through my mind right now?
No, but I know what's running through mine.
Is it me? Naked. Oh my God! Daddy's home. I didn't expect him back.
What we going to do?
No! Wait, listen. Wait until he goes into his room and then you leave, okay? Okay.
Think it's safe to go now?
Alicia, you're not coming to say good evening to you, old man. Well, all I said was don't move.
Baby, okay?
Who is this boy anyway?
He's my boyfriend.
Boyfriend? At least him look little different from the last idiot you brought in here.
He does, doesn't he?
Sorry about the disturbance, sir. I was just visiting, yeah. We weren't doing anything here tonight, you know. Not like we normally do anything, but we just,
Baby, calm down. He's not gonna do anything.
Alicia, the first time me meeting your father, and it's at the other end of him gun I looking in. Yo, them thing will give you heart failure.
Baby, I thought you were used to guns and things like that.
Not because I am from where gunshot fire regular make me immune to them. I still afraid of gunshot.
Well, I like this one. Him seem like him have a little sense.
Alicia, not because I'm from there, baby. I am not like there.
Well, wherever you come from, you try go back. Cause I don't want my daughter down there.
One thing I learned long time, you know. Gun and girlfriend father is not a good combination, as my mother always said. I cut him.
Baby. Daddy, why you do that?
For your own good.
God, this is the life. Thank you, Papa Jesus. Thank you. The only thing I need now is a nice, decent gentleman to be beside me. Lord, don't say I'm greedy, but send one come for me now. That was quick.
What are you trying to do? Kill me?
Imagine I was upstairs praying for a nice, decent gentleman. And you show up? No, man, I have to say over this prayer.
You couldn't get that from me. Not even if you paid for it.
Listen, I get what I want when I want it. And that I don't want.
Well, that you're not going to get from me.
What is wrong with this puppy show, man? What you want, Mr. Weatherburn?
Not you.
Don't make I tell you about your... Look here, don't make a cuss mad out here now. What you want, Mr. Weatherburn?
All right. Well, listen, I've just come round to invite you to our Neighbourhood Watch monthly meeting.
Me?
Yes, you. It's being held, actually, next weekend at my place.
So, why you didn't just put it in the mailbox or push it under the door?
Nothing. I just thought I'd be thorough and give it to you there, you see.
You know something, Mr. Weatherburn? I think you're in love with me.
Not at all, Miss Beatrice. I think you'll find I'm a very disciplined and organised man with strictly noble intentions.
Are you sure? Stop it! Stop it! Damn well know why you come over here. Because you want to see what I look like in my nightie. You damn pervert. Get away from here!
Good night.
Nasty.
Mother than. You know Innocent Kru is better than. Or them to this we when we are the mother man.
Morning. Good morning, mommy.
So who that one is about now?
Nobody.
If I follow you, you see, you think you're easy?
It's just about a situation that could happen.
Look here. I want you to take me to the country to buy some food for the restaurant.
Mommy, why you don't ask Uncle Joe? I'm here working on an album.
No, it's all right. It's quite all right. I'll do much better than that. I think it's full time I'm gonna learn how to drive.
Mommy, you don't have to be like that, you know, man.
Be like what? No, man. From the other day, every time I ask you a favor, you find all sort of excuse to tell me.
Mommy, if you could write the songs, I would go to the country and make you write the songs them. Anyway, a girl going to come up here later
to record a song, you know. I met her at a stage show.
Are you sure she's only coming over to sing?
That is the only thing she coming here for, mommy. Trust me.
Trust me. I hate that statement. I used to hear it so much from your worthless pooper. About those lyrics.
What about my lyrics?
Them not uplifting. But too bad the old worthless pooper used to listen to better than this man. Him used to listen to people like Marvin Gaye, Toots Hibbert, Byron Lee and the Dragonaires, you know, Halter Hellis. I mean, I don't know where you get your musical taste from.
Mommy, this is modern times. What I'm doing right here now is contemporary music, modern stuff.
That is so right. That is so right, my boy. That is why you have so much crime and violence in the society. Look here. I'm going down by the restaurant, you see? Your breakfast up on the table. But contemporary.
Innocent Kru a danger. Danger. When innocent in all the dance hall.
Here's your goat, Mr. Hyde.
Your mother never teach you not to lie to a woman.
It was a gift from a grandmother.
Really? Would you like a gift from me? Anyway, I'm giving you back this goat under one condition, that you contain it. Otherwise, I'll have the animal welfare people come and take it from you. And one more thing. Stop making me dream about you, man. I may have to come back and arrest you.
We are star. Real star.
It's official Benzly Hype.
Me and my bro.
Army G, bless up, you know. We there, so if you want Me and Mi KRU stuff, just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, make the link there. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me I say? We there, I don't know. Been away for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?